Famous science fiction author Arthur C. Clarke once said, "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic." But many ads made with AI are far from magical. Many are bland, generic, and soulless. That's the worst. But they don't have to be. According to System 1, an ad testing platform, viewers found this spot truly magical. Surprisingly, most viewers didn't even notice or mention the technology used to make it. They were too lost in their emotions and wrapped up in the very human mother-daughter story. System 1's findings support our next storytelling truth. You can harness the magic of AI to tell exceptionally human stories if you start with imagination and use AI as a tool to bring your imagination to life in a moving way, as Volkswagen has done here. The company recently announced it is going to invest an additional $1.83 billion in Brazil in the next 5 years, more than double its current investment. By sparking Brazilians' imagination and emotion, it has further solidified its connection with them. And thank you to the enthusiastic Brazilians in the audience.